Nintendo.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? This is an epic Minecraft playthrough.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm sick. So
yeah,
am
definitely recorded on Bonfire Night. This is the Bonfire Night special.
I. Yes.
Just ignore this as the
11
4th of November on
slash
Fandango's thing.
4/2/018/57.
What are you looking at?
I'm reading the date, but very strangely.
What the heck? Hang on.
Okay.
Oh! It happens when you go to someone else's town and you don't save. That's what you did with me.
Oh, it's not that rare.
Yeah. Yeah, but still a bit
What?
weird.
That fucking mole didn't come out and like mole me. Mole.
Holy shit.
Bless me. Egg.
That's what you said last time.
Yeah, I know. Waiting. The current location time in America is 8:42 a.m. on October 23rd, 2011. We will be arriving shortly. We hope you enjoy the ride. Oh look, it's Slav.
Why is that Slav?
Furry, that's why.
They're all furries.
Slav's the biggest one. I got a good
Should we
buddy in
include that
America.
part?
You want me to introduce him? What? No? Are you sure? Well, too bad for you. So how are things? How's life treating you over at Fandango? Alright. Oh, just alright. I suppose it's not too bad. Still like second departure. That's why you're going to America. You're going to whoop it up a little party. You're about to pull into America, and here I am babbling about kitten with catnip. Well, I hope you find some of that excitement you're looking for. Good luck paying time right now. What did you say?
That's a fucking communist joke. It feels like one pain.
Oh yeah, because we're going into America. Well.
Oh yeah. Oh, now your face is normal. Okay, whatever.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it crashed.
Crashes every time we go here. X? This is a statue erected Trump's live again, I guess.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that goofy, funny, wacky.
What are these? Are these gyros?
Yeah. Gyros.
That's a Mexican gyro.
You remember, I just got tickets downstairs.
I know, I just wanna... What the tickets do?
Oh, there's a raffle at Tom Nook's and you can do that.
Can I get one? Can I pick one up? No,
Nah, no, because they're mine.
I want this carpet.
No, because it's mine.
What?
No, because
You
it's
can't
mine.
pick up friends stuff?
Yeah, but that's just a town. You're just a visitor, you're not like the safe file owner. I mean, you could be the safe file owner. Yeah, you remember the upstairs.
Oh,
Upstairs, it's not shit.
It's TV, bed. Oh shit, gamer time, gamer time. Whoa, gamer time. Oh shit, whoa. Whoa, not again. Where's the post office? Oh fuck, golden hole.
Can't do anything. Actually, I don't know, can you?
I don't care.
Oh, you could get 1,000 bells, 1,000 free beacons. Yeah.
Nook, you degenerate.
You can't go in Nooks because it's a fucking other place. Hang on, no, it's 7 in it. Wait, you can go in Tom Nook's, can't you? Hey, check out my fossil collection, by the way.
Let's see if pieces of fine art. Is that the Mona Lisa?
No, look at it. Look what it's called. Press A on the little sign. The famous painting!
Is it just called famous?
The moving painting! Oh, what's this one? The rare painting.
Did you just call them that?
Yeah. They probably couldn't get it. Actually, the Mona Pizza! They weren't like Hong Kong food, you just went, the Mona Pizza! No, they just called it the fucking famous painting.
Oh, let's see the fish. Fuck, you caught a lot of fish.
Yeah.
Oh, I helped you catch one of those rare ones.
I got all of them. Dab?
I helped you catch one of the rare ones.
Yeah, I think you did as well.
Fuck. So let's see the bugs.
Ooh.
Oh, you donated a cockroach. Nice.
I've donated all of them. There's
Can
like
I not
40
run in
each.
here? Can I just not run in here?
You can, but
Fuck. I'm going too fast.
I mean, like, I literally don't give a shit what you do with it, but
Oh fuck.
wham wham.
Ammonite. Did you name it that?
Oh no, that's just what it's called.
Dinosaur track. I've gotten a
Donated
lot
by
of
Trump.
fucking dinosaurs.
If only Donald Trump did something this good, huh? But no, he fucking doesn't. All he does is he wants oil, and he's a bad president.
Oh, that's a
I'm just joking. I'm not a biased news source.
Plesiosaurus, I mean, fuck, it's a plesiosaurus.
I'm not biased, guys. I don't mind Trump. I think he's a bit of a cock, but yeah, that's about it. I'm not a biased news source.
Hey, look, it's a Slav.
How is that Slav?
It's hey guys, look, it's come 1 second, let me find something here. Look, it's Slav. What next?
Go in the Able Sisters and get yourself a shirt. Oh my god, it's gonna yeah, it's carrying the shirts over as well. Yes!
I want the American shirt. It's the fucking donkey party here.
I want it. Yes! Yes! You have to save now. Just put it on one of the blank ones.
How do you set it up again?
Press start. You really need a fucking controller. That'll make us a lot better.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask my mum for one.
Yeah, just get like an Xbox 360 one. I'd recommend wireless. And press start.
Oh yeah.
And then go left. It's all the way left at the little pencil thing.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Enter.
It's all the way left at the little pencil, yeah. And then down to the trunk. Then, no, put it back. Put it back. And then use. And then use on clothes. Oh, dang it, you stole my identity now. You stole my identity, shit.
I wanna keep this. I love this.
Oh, dang it. Actually, yeah, that would be funny. Now I can make a clickbait title with you in that shirt. What's the time check?
7 p.m.
No, not in Latvia, I mean in the game.
10 p.m.
Fucking fifth. Oh, it's what, like 59 more minutes. It's a funny meme. Do not.
Sorry, your flowers.
Yeah. We gotta hold them all. What have you done? What else can you really do in my town? Like, you've seen everything.
Yeah.
Maybe take some fruits. What fruits do you have in your town?
Here's...
I'll just get apples then. B. Just plant some apples from my town and your town.
It's a foreign exchange, am I right?
Yeah.
Just for you, Adam, I took out a root. Oh, you grasshopper. Oh, you just killed yourself. Did you see the grasshopper kill himself?
What?
Did you see the grasshopper kill himself?
Yeah.
Just a tragic moment.
Make their face. You can literally make what they look like. And it's fucking so good.
I want this.
I think it's like some cat food and you can like...
Fandango, now arriving at Fandango.
Okay, gyroids, man.
I love how fast he got into the house.
Yeah. That's because you're like speeding it up. There we go. Right, see you kids. Time for Tubby bye-byes.
1 second, 1 second.
Say time for Tubby bye-byes.
1 second, let me open up MS Paint, MS Paint, MS Paint.
Alright, alright. You've got to say bye for Tubby bye-byes, by the way.
But don't end it, don't end it, don't end it, don't end it, don't end it.
I'm not.
Where's Microsoft Paint? Fuck it, I'm just sharing my actual speed. Now you're demonetized.
Brexit means Brexit. Brexit. Brexit means Brexit. Brexit. Brexit means Brexit.